Welcome everyone. My name is Jyoti Jitendra Navle. Today I am introducing you about the ResourceSat-2A satellite, which is from our course Remote Sensing and GIS application. Firstly, we see the agenda of our topic. First, the introduction of satellite, then instruments used in satellite, and some information about the satellites. Next point is spacecraft properties of satellite. Then we see the launching detail of our satellites. Introduction. The satellite name is ResourceSat-2A and the mission type of this satellite is Earth observation. Operator is ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. And the mission duration, that is planned mission duration is 5 years, and in progress we got 4 years 8 months and 8 days. Then ResourceSat 2A is a follow-up mission ResourceSat 1 and 2. ResourceSat 1 is launched at in October 2003 and the ResourceSat 2 is launched in April 2011. The newly satellite provides the same service as the other resource missions. It will give regular micro and macro information on land and water bodies below, farmlands and crop extents, forests, mineral deposits, coastal information, rural and urban spreads, besides helping in disaster management. ResourceSat series of satellite with a unique three-tier imaging capability have created its own niche in catering to multitude of applications, specifically in the area of land and water resources management. The first satellite of ResourceSat series, that is ResourceSat 1, was launched in the year 2003, and that followed by ResourceSat 2 is launched at the year of 2011. Then we launched the ResourceSat 2A in December 2016. This is the view of our ResourceSat 2A satellite. Then we see the instruments. First is AWIFS, that is Advanced Wide Field Center. It operates in three spectral bands in VNIR and one band in SWIR. It provides image with 56-meter spatial resolution that would be useful at state level. Second is LISS 3, that is Linear Imaging Self Scanning Sensor 3. It operates in three spectral bands, two in VNIR and one in shortwave infrared, that is SWIR with bandwidth with 23.5 meter. Spatial resolution, it can provide images at the district level. It has swath of 740 km and revisit period of 5 days. Then next instrument is LISS-4, that is Linear Imaging Self-Scanning Sensor 4. It operates in three spectral bands in visible and near infrared region, that is VNIR, with 5.8 meter spatial resolution that can provide information at taluk level. It has swath of 70 km and revisit period of 5 days. Then we see the information about this satellite. It is a remote sensing satellite, ResourceSat 2E. It is launched from Sriharikota at 10:24 am on Wednesday. The spacecraft was flown aboard PSLV C-36 rocket. It was perfect launch, as Kiran Kumar, chairman of Indian Space Research Organization, said. He said, "We have put one more operational satellite in orbit." In an address from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDSC, in coastal Andhra Pradesh. It was the 37th consecutive successful flight of the indigenous light lifting rocket. It carries three payloads, which are similar to those of ResourceSat 1 and 2, that having high resolution linear imaging self scanner LISS 4, as we see below. Camera operating in three spectral bands in the visible and near infrared region. VNIR with 5.8 meters spatial resolution and steerable up to plus minus 26 degree across track to achieve in 5-day revisit capability. The second payload is the medium resolution LISS-3 camera, operating in three spectral bands in VNIR and SWIR band with 23.5 meters spectral resolution. The third payload is coarse resolution advanced wide field sensor camera, operating in three spectral bands in VNIR and one band is SWIR with 556 meters spectral resolution. ResourceSat-2A carries two solid-state recorders with capacity of 200 gigabits each to store the images taken by its cameras, which can be read out later to ground stations. Then we see the spacecraft properties. The spacecraft name is ResourceSat-2A and it is manufacturer in Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, and their launch mass is 1206 kg and the power is 1250 watt. Then we see the launch details. Launch date is 7th December 2016 at 4.54 UTC. Rocket used is PSLV XL PSLV C-36 and the launch site is Satish Dhawan Space Center. First launch pad FLP. Contractor is Indian Space Research Organization and the entered service is date February 2017 and the orbital period is 101.35 minutes, that is 101 minutes 35 seconds. Thank you.